Okay, the whole thing is for us to get some practice doing this plastic sheeting and also make it visible to the residents, hey, this is something that we ought to be able to do. This Visqueen is a 25-foot roll, 10 feet in width. You can measure the window ahead of time and lay it out and use the tape to do the length, or you could just roll it down the window and cut it off at the bottom. So basically you roll it out, you cut the width that you want. That when you cut the Visqueen, you leave about an inch, like a half an inch on each side, so you can actually put the tape on the glass as well as on the window frame. You take it to the window. Before we put the Visqueen up, the thought is we're going to tape it up enough so that the glass shards are not going to dig into the Visqueen, and to kind of secure the window a little bit. The idea is to tack it first. And you tack it down, make sure it's flat against the window. And then you essentially seal it in. Other observations that anyone has?
The question I would have is, how strong duct tape are we going to be having?
I know this is a drill, but in the real life, everything's going to be rattling and moving. Put that stuff up. Don't be an architect.
I've got another one, and that is, don't think you can do this by yourself. I mean, if there aren't other eat prep people, just pull in folks, because you can't do it by yourself.
Yeah, Visqueen, where do we get it?
Oh, where do you get it? Okay, it's pretty readily available. Amazon has it, Ace has it.